All right, folks, just this morning, OpenAI dropped something really big. It's called Agent Plugins. This is a very big deal if you're using more than one coding agent. If you have to hop between Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, or any of these tools, the Agent plugin is basically like a USB-C for AI agent add-ons. And one plugin works everywhere, and it's very, very helpful and can save you a lot of time. So we're going to explain how this works, and also more importantly, is this workable with Claude Code? Because the announcement features all of these big companies, but the OpenAI-Anthropic rivalry is not there. So we're going to talk about that as well in this video. All right, so let's talk about the problem right now if this is currently what you're facing. So if you have a very useful setup for an agent on one specific harness, let's say like Claude Code, let's say you have your own custom skills, tool connections, workflows, the problem is it's locked onto that environment, right? Your Claude Code setup won't work in Codex. Your cursor config is useless in GitHub Copilot if you're using GitHub Copilot. And your custom MCP servers, you're rebuilding the same thing over and over again. It's like if every phone charger had a different port, lightning, micro USB, whatever, you'd need a drawer full of cables. And that's the portability tax we're all paying right now. So Agent Plugins is basically a solution for this. What happened was OpenAI AWS, Microsoft, Cursor, GitHub, and Vercel all agreed on one standard format. And the plugin is just a folder with three things: the plugin.json, which is a manifest naming the plugin, the skills, which are the instructions that teach the agent a task, and the mcp.json that connects to external tools. And that's it. It's nothing fancy. It's just a shared folder structure everyone agreed on, mostly for these environments. So think of it like NPM for AI configs, build once, and you can install anywhere. Shareable, versioned packages instead of copy pasting prompts everywhere, and then having to redo the custom skills from scratch. So far, what is confirmed is this works across ChatGPT, Codex, Cursor, GitHub Pilot, VS Code, and Kiro. So 6 different tools, one plugin. And for you, if you are running, let's say, more than one agents on these platforms, especially helpful if you're running on all 6, all right, then you need to maintain one setup instead of rebuilding per tool. And that saves you a lot of hours. That's consistency. That's not going insane. You're not going to go insane keeping 6 different configs in sync. But here's the funny part, right? So the 2 core pieces this standard uses, the agent plugins, are the agent skills and MCP, which are both invented by Anthropic, but Anthropic is not on the community. People on X are wondering, will Anthropic join? A lot of people are saying no, that they will create their own standard like they did with Claude.md. Right, this for beginners is quite confusing. Do we use Claude.md? Do we use agents.md? At the end of the day, all right, this is just a side bit of bonus. Doesn't matter. They're just going to read every MD files. So even if they come out with their own standard, I'm pretty sure it's compatible as well, even with ChatGPT, OpenAI. But what's very interesting was when I did a bit of research on this, we found that one creator tested this and got the same plugin folder running in both Claude Code and Codex with a bit of a minor tweak. So we haven't tried this ourselves yet. We just want to get this video out fast to let you guys know, and then maybe you guys can experiment. You can check out his video, Hyper Automation Labs, and see if that works as well for Claude Code. So we're going to do a follow-up on that pretty soon to see if that works as well. So as of now, this agent plugins is version 1.0. It's quite narrow on purpose, right? What it does is it standardizes packaging and discovery only. Things like marketplaces, permissions, runtimes, authentication, distribution policy are all still up to each client. So day 1 support is also uneven. Some tools don't auto-load plugin MCP servers yet, but the foundation is there, and that's what matters. And we're gonna have to follow up on this very quickly from the from the big boys here to look forward to version 2.0. So if you're running more than one coding agent and you don't want to start from scratch to build those custom skills and MCPs, right, try out the agent plugin. I think this will save you a lot of time. And plus, you don't want those minor deviations whenever you have to start from scratch. If you really want it the perfect way, well, not really perfect, but like, the way you want it, is much more consistent to use the agent plugins rather than to start from scratch. So we'll be testing this across Claude Code, Codex, and Cursor. Drop a comment if you want to follow up where I build a plugin from scratch and run it everywhere. Check out our website, learn.superbash.ai, to follow for more news, updates, and guides. Subscribe to our channel as well. My name is Ron. Shanan out.